go beyond thoughtless action and spineless inaction. At the start of the Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna is hesitating to fight a war against his family members. And although it's in the middle of the war, in the heat of action, he pauses. And he advances well-reasoned arguments against fighting. He points out that just for gaining a kingdom, he is incurring sinful reactions for the action of killing his relatives, will cause him suffering in this as well as the next life, and he will bring about the destruction of his dynasty, which will make this generation and future generations suffer. Thus he reveals a laudable level of concern and thoughtfulness even amid the heat of action. Interestingly, Krishna reproaches Arjuna's reasoning as ignorant and his choice as impotent. Shudrasya daurbalyam, he says that is called as weakness of the heart. Kutastva kashmalamidam vishame samupastatam anaridushtam aswargyam akirti karma Arjuna. Krishna tells Arjuna, this will lead to infamy, this is weakness, don't act in this way. Why is that? Because Arjuna has a social responsibility to act as a martial guardian of society, and the opponents are led by an evil prince who has no conscience that will prevent him from abusing power wholesale once he gets it without any opposition. That's why Arjuna, if he doesn't fight, he will leave society at the hands of a predatory ruler, and further he will end up setting an example that future defenders of society will follow, thereby abdicating their duty and enabling abusers. While rejecting Arjuna's choice, Krishna does not reject his concerns, and Krishna offers Arjuna a third option between the extremes of unreasoned, of thoughtless action and spineless inaction is thoughtful and powerful action. The choice that Krishna guides Arjuna to is thoughtful because because Krishna tells Arjuna that he has to fight not for winning a kingdom but to establish dharma, moral and social order in society for all-round well-being of everyone. And such order is vital for the well-being of people. And therein he tells Arjuna that only when he fights, and he will be forceful because he is a warrior, has to act assertively when the opponents have rejected all other options. And thus Arjuna is encouraged by Krishna to fight in a holistic way. So by learning from Arjuna's example as guided by Krishna in the Gita, we all can, when faced with a difficult choice, avoid the extremes of rushing impulsively into actions that might get us into troubles and passively watching on when atrocities and injustices are happening. Instead, we can find the right balance and act purposefully. So to summarize, in between the extremes of thoughtless action and spineless inaction is the balance of thoughtful and forceful action. Thank you.